family, hey tastemakers, Tanya here. Just made it back from running errands today. It's Vlogmas 2025, and so I'm out there just trying to see what's going on in the world, out in retail and food, and so I did a little shopping and really don't need much, but I was just out there running some errands. So I have coming up in this video, I have 2 product reviews, from different restaurants, okay? I have a review of something in Wendy's and then Starbucks. So just stay tuned, and I'll just in case if you guys are out and about, running around, you need to stop somewhere, get something to eat, you'll get to see, what's new. You probably most of you guys have already tried these items, but it's new to me, so I just want to share my point of view and give my review on these items. Okay, so I'm gonna take my coat off and get settled, and we're going to review some food. Hey family. Hey guys, hey family, just made it back from running errands. And I stopped by Starbucks, and we did a little rollout. So every year I like to try some seasonal, some holiday drinks that they have at Starbucks. I've really cut down on my trips. Let me put this down. I've really cut down on my trips to Starbucks, probably maybe 4 times a year now. I used to go in there. When I was working, I was in there probably every day, driving by there. So today, I got an ice water. Look how cute this cup is. They have nice little red bows on the cups. I'm gonna show you the decor first. So it's the little things, the little details that, just bring a little joy. There's a lot going on in the world, so it's the little things you like to appreciate. So we got that water. Look at the packaging on. I got a slice of lemon pound. Oh, this is so skinny. My God, they used to give you a big hunk of pound cake. So here is the package for that. Here is there. I'll bring it up closer. And then here, this is a grande mocha. This is what I normally get. So that's cute. And then look at that beautiful cup here. Isn't that cute? They charge enough. You can like write something on there. You can write to and from. So I love that pattern. And then here, this is a eggnog mocha, eggnog latte. And so that's a cute, pretty little pattern here as well. Okay, so let's give it a try. All right, I'm gonna take my lipstick off. Okay, now the eggnog latte is you can smell it. You know how you spike eggnog with a little rum? It has a rum scent to it. So let me stir it up really well. It has a creamy look to it. It's a lot of, eggnog in it, a lot of cream. So that's how it looks. So let me take a drink. It's very smooth. Very smooth. I like it. You just have to know, it has the taste of a spiked eggnog. It's good and hot. Yeah, that's nice. That's a good, they had 3. They had like a peppermint. I tried that like last year. I didn't like the peppermint. They had 3 different holiday options. And so I chose the eggnog. Yeah, that's nice. That brings some holiday cheer. Now here is my regular grande mocha. Let me stir it up really well. This is our neighborhood Starbucks, so they get to know you in there. They're nice. And I always you get these free. You can get a free cup of water. Okay, so let me drink this one. Nothing beats that though. Nothing beats the grande mocha. I used to get venti mochas, big ones. Nothing beats that mocha. Yeah, that's a good for a change of pace during the holidays. Let me show you this little thin piece of lemon pound cake. It used to be like double this size. They just cutting them all thin. Let me see if it tastes any different. Still tastes good. So Starbucks did good. Yeah, I really enjoyed it. You know, it's a treat nowadays. And I like when I go in the afternoons, like they don't give you that tip thing. And the guy was nice, so I gave him a tip. But in the morning times, those guys, they're aggressive. They'll put that little tip pad out there and be like, yeah, and when it comes down to tipping, we should tip because, you know, they went above and beyond. But it really is the responsibility of the employer to pay these people well, to give them good benefits. It's not, you know, for them to expect us, especially when you're just driving up to a drive-through. You know, you didn't sit down. They're not running around for you. I drove up, and so, but you know, if they were extra perky, extra nice or whatever, you know, that's cool. All right, so I want to thank you so much. Just wanted to share some holiday tips and things you can do just to, you know, make the holidays a little merrier, okay? And just let you know what's going on out there. All right, see you in my next video. Bye. Happy Vlogmas. It's Vlogmas 2025. Hey guys, hey family, welcome to Vlogmas 2025. I just got back from running some errands, and after I ran my errands, I stopped by Wendy's because our Chick-fil-A is being remodeled. They tore it all the way down. Now it's being rebuilt. So I had a taste for some chicken strips. So Wendy's has some chicken strips. So I want to do a product review on them. I'll let you know what I think. Okay, they come in this little box here. So I don't eat out much, but when I do, I normally get junk. You know, I get fast food. You know, that's a little treat for me. And so it comes in these. It comes with several sauces. They have several sauces. I chose the signature. So let me come up closer. And it looks like this, kind of like a Zaxby sauce. I hope it tastes kind of like a Zax sauce. Here's the box. And how many do I have in here? 4. They're nice size for these days. Zaxby's used to have them fatter. Now Zaxby's gotten skinnier. So let's try it. I'm gonna shake it up. Oh, it comes, I got the meal. Comes with 4 strips, fries. I nibbled off the fries and then a drink. And I'll tell you how much mine cost. God, I was like, it costs how much? It kind of smells like a Zaxby sauce. Yes, ma'am. It tastes like a Zax sauce, but with a little bit more vinegar, maybe a little more pickle juice or something in it. That's nice. And the it's all meat chicken. It's thick too. It's not like a little skimpy piece of chicken. It's a nice sized piece of chicken. Yeah. But let me see, this is considered a medium combo. Comes with 4 pieces of chicken tenders. They give you 2 signature sauces, medium fry, medium drink. I get a Diet Coke. The amount was $11.39, and then with tax is $12.07. So that's pretty pricey. So that's like, you know, a once a month thing for me. You know, it's not like when you go and get the biggie bag and all of that. So yeah, so that's it. So yeah, I would highly recommend that. I'm gonna heat it up. I'm glad I got this sauce too. Yeah, I'm double dipping because this one's mine. Okay, yeah, it's a little more vinegary. Okay, guys, thanks so much for supporting Vlogmas. This is what I do every year for Vlogmas, just doing product reviews and just things to Christmas related content. So I'm out and about. This is probably the last time I'll go out shopping. I usually leave that the week of Christmas. I don't get out there. Maybe even I don't see where I need anything else around here. So yeah, so I think I have one more. I have a haul. This is fun for me. This haul I have coming up, and then I'm gonna do another tablescape and a little more decorating, and yeah, so this has been fun. It's been fun, and I appreciate you guys joining me on Vlogmas 2025, okay? See you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.